Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my use of AI and in particular Gemini with Obsidian in order to make sense of my writings and content. And as you can see here, this is the live work. I have on the right Gemini CLI basically processing my chapters and in each chapter basically extracting the key concepts. And these have been already either identified, structured from previous chapters or other writings, and basically building the connectivity layer between all these single concepts and themes and topics. As you can see, everything now is automated, and the chapters I'm working on right now are part of the fifth part that are in blue dots, as you can see here on the left. And this is basically my graph for the book I'm writing right now. And you'll see right now Gemini is updating the file, and one of these blue dots basically is gonna pop up. There you go. We have it here somewhere on the right popping up. There you go. That was the chapter 44, basically. And as you can see here, right, updated, and then moving to the next one, which is chapter 45, where the steps are basically simple. Goes to the chapter itself, reads the MD file of the chapter that I've wrote, and then basically identifies either existing concepts, themes, and topics, edit them, and identify new ones where basically these are internal links, as you can see here, that I've been working on previously or I haven't identified yet. And there you go, you can see it here in real time popping up again. And that's basically the full operation that I'm trusting Gemini, in this case, with Gemini CLI directly as a set of agents that would do this work instead of me spending days on this, which will help one identify new links and new angles that I haven't surfaced before, and two, all the workload and the grunt work that could have been done manually is now done automatically in much faster faster way. And you can see for each one, basically, there's the updated inputs, and then you have the visual itself that is updating in real time. So, so far, basically, on 50 chapters that I've personally written, we have a more than 2,000 topics, concepts, and themes that have been identified. And this is where this automation part could go a long way. So if you're using Obsidian, this is something I would highly recommend. And of course, you might bump into some of those errors or bugs because it's still new. But this is something that is worth the experimentation, and it's only getting better by the day. Okay, talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.